In this video, I will show you how to download or install Claude on your PC. First of all, open up any browser. Then search for Claude download. Here, click on the first URL that appears. Since my PC is MacBook, here I can see the option of download for macOS. Here you can see multiple choices of operating system like macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, etc. Choose the operating system in your PC. For now, I'm clicking on download for macOS. Click on allow. Then your download will start here. Once it's downloaded, simply double click on it. After that, this pop-up will open. Simply click and drag the Claude to applications. Here, go to applications and click on Claude. After that, click on get started. Now you can sign in either with email or with Google. For now, let's choose Google. Click on continue. Then you can choose the Google ID that you want to continue with. Click on continue again. After that, you will be able to use Claude in PC. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.